Assalamu alaikum. Today we will see how to activate bundles and which app to use for bundles. Bundles are basically used to attract people. Like if we are giving them buy one and 99, then we will give them buy two and 169, 179. Like we will give them a little discount so that people buy two. And that increases our average order value. If the average order value increases, then our revenue will also increase. So let's see which app we can use for this. For bundles, the app we will use is the Pumper app. So from here we will go to apps and search for Pumper bundles. So we are getting two kinds of bundles here. One is the same products that we have to sell. The other is the ones where we have to sell two different products together and give discount on them. Like here we are selling a product. So here we are selling a CC cream. So we are saying that if you buy two CC creams together, you will get a 20% discount. And this combo is like we are selling a foundation with CC creams. So if you buy both CC cream and foundation, you will get 20% discount. So now let's see, we put this quantity break offer on our product page. So let's check this. First of all, we will write the name of the offer. Let it be there is no issue. This is for us. If we put the same offer on all the products, like if someone buys 2 out of 100, then he will get 20% off or 10% off. So we will make one offer. If we have to give 20% off on one product and 10% off on another product, then we will do it on specific products. And we will make two offers separately. So let it be on all products. Now from here, our template style, if we do it vertically, it will be like this. If we do it horizontally, it will be like this in one line. Let it be vertical. After that, our colors can be changed from here. We have made a color palette from here. If any of these is matching with our color theme, then well and good. Otherwise, we can change the color of everything one by one from here. Like this. This is our background colors, so we can do this too. These are our colors. After that, we will go down. So these are the offers we have from here. What we do here is, Tire 1 is basically a one-pair thing. It is a non-discount. We don't have to give any discount on buy 1. Let's come to Tire 2. Here we give a discount of 20% off on buy 2. The quantity is 2. So this is the thing. Here we have one thing. If we want to give buy 1 get 1 free, then you will see a switch here. If we turn it on, then we will get the offer of buy 2 get 2. If we want to do it in buy 1, then we will do it in Tire 1. We can also do this, buy 2 get 1 free, so this will automatically go in quantity on our background. For example, we don't want to do this. We want that when someone buys 2. If we are selling a cream, then we can give a brush with it. So we will add a free gift here. And we must have listed that free gift like that product is listed. And from here we will select the product. And we will select that product. So here we will have a free gift. Similarly, we will see the setting of Tire 3. How much discount do we have to give here? Same things. If we want to give it free, then we will turn it on. Otherwise, we will leave it as it is. And if we want to give a gift, then we will give a free gift. And we are showing 3 options here. If we want to make it 2, then we will turn off the third one. From here, we will delete the third one. If we want to show 4 options, like 4 pairs, then we will add it here. So we will get one more ad. So here we have 3 pairs. We have to change their name. Like here, we can write buy 1, get 1. Sorry, buy 1, buy 2, buy 3. So we will change them from here. So we have these things. This is how this bundle app works. And if we publish it from here, then it will be shown on our products. Okay, as soon as we publish it for the first time, then we will have this option here. Activate widget. It will take us to the theme where we want to open it. It is already open. We just have to click on save. And we have saved it. If we come here, it is telling us that it is successful. Let's preview it. See, this is how it is showing. We can go to our theme here and change its place. Like quantity break, we will turn it off so that we have only this thing. So this is how we can install the Bumble app in our theme.